Alright, this is the explanation of experiment E, muscle twitch summation and tetanus. On page 80 of the lab manual, you have a table. So in this experiment, we type the number of pulses and frequency into the program to stimulate the muscle with different pulses and different frequencies. If I can show you here on the screen, right? Every time we just change the number of pulses and number of frequencies, and we stimulate the muscle. All right, how can I understand the data? Well, as I said in the overview, the bottom matrix is the frequency of stimulation. You're starting from a low frequency. As you can see, they are still separated all the way to higher frequency. They are kind of together. The top recording is the contraction of the muscle. And when you have a low frequency stimulation, the muscle still have relaxation. When you gradually increase stimulation, they starting to have a summation. Here you have a summation. And until you reach tetanus. So here you already have a tetanus. And tetanus is the maximal contraction. So you already have, maybe here, you already have a maximal contraction. For tetanus, we have the unfused and fused. Fused is the maximal contraction without relaxation. So for the lab report, you need to analyze the force due to summation and total contraction force. I already mentioned that in the overview, so here I want to mention again. So for this one, it's so hard to measure. First thing is they want to show imaging how to do the 4 Hertz, right? Let me show how to do that. If you do not know this, use double cursor, right? You want to do double cursor to cover just the 4 Hertz, right? Then you can just choose view and display, right? Zoom between cursors. So that is the 4 Hertz stimulation here, right? You can just copy paste this image into your lab report. Another thing is there's a question 6, figure 6 on the lab report asks you to generate a graph to show the relationship between the contraction force and the stimulation frequency. For that one, we have to analyze the force due to summation, right? Let me show you what we can analyze. So for force due to summation, you move the left cursor to this horizontal line here. That is the baseline. You move the right cursor to the trough here, right? So the software will measure the difference between here and from bottom to bottom. That's the force due to summation. If I want to measure the total contraction force, I want to keep the left cursor at the same place. I will just move the right cursor to the peak. So the software measure from bottom to the peak. So you're looking for the contraction force here. You do this for individual frequency, right? Basically, you're going to zoom in, find. So you can see by this one, this is for 4 Hertz, right? And this is the mark here. You do this for each frequency. Then finally you can generate a line graph, right? That's for this experiment.